Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to create a gradient bar chart field based on value in Excel. You select your table area, then example I select only 2 column, then go to insert menu, recommended chart, all chart, select your chart, bar chart, column chart. Example I select column chart, then OK with value. Click with value or this, then and select bar, then right click mouse, go to format data series, select fill option, gradient fill, select gradient color, this color is yellow and this white. Okay, white. Okay, again select, go to format options, fill, gradient color. Okay, and apply the same process. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thank you.